Hello everyone and welcome back to SPM English Writing Secrets Unlocked. This is episode 4 and today we're doing something a little different, a book review. We'll be reviewing The Pearl by John Steinbeck, a short but powerful story that explores big ideas like poverty, greed, and the meaning of true wealth. Let's begin. The book I am reviewing is The Pearl by John Steinbeck, a Nobel Prize-winning American author known for his powerful storytelling. What I liked most was his unique style. It was simple but meaningful, and I enjoyed how he explored the dark side of human nature. This book made me think deeply about society and life. The Pearl is based on a Mexican folktale. It tells the story of Kino and his wife Juana, a poor couple who love each other and their baby, Coyotito. One day, Kino finds a giant pearl while diving. He believes the pearl will change their lives. He dreams of marrying Juana in church, sending Coyotito to school, and getting proper health care. At first, the community is happy for him. But soon, jealousy and greed appear. Strangers try to steal the pearl, and pearl buyers try to cheat him. Juana senses danger and asks Kino to throw it away, but he refuses. In the end, their baby is killed during an escape attempt. The pearl brings nothing but pain. This story explores important issues like poverty, class, and greed. Kino is judged by the rich, and when he finally gains something valuable, people try to take it from him. As the saying goes, be careful what you wish for. I recommend this book to everyone. It reminds us that money is not everything. Sometimes money is the root of all evil, and love is the real treasure. Now, let's check out vocabulary gems and idioms from this book review. These will make your writing more vivid, mature, and exam-ready. Number 1, powerful storytelling. It means telling stories in a strong and emotional way that captures attention. Here's an example. The movie's powerful storytelling kept the audience in tears until the end. Number 2, the dark side of human nature means the selfish, greedy, or harmful parts of people's personalities. For example, the novel reveals the dark side of human nature during times of crisis. Number 3, brings nothing but pain means only causes suffering or sadness. For example, his decision brought nothing but pain to the family. Number 4, be careful what you wish for means wishing for something might bring unexpected trouble. For example, he wanted fame so badly, but now he hates the attention. Be careful what you wish for. Number 5, money is the root of all evil means money can cause people to do bad things. Example, people would lie or steal for money. Truly, money is the root of all evil. That's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed this review of The Pearl, leave us a like and don't forget to share it with your friends. Bye for now.